Tech and clips.
Yeah. All right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Yes. I hope everyone is doing fine, staying safe. Name is Philip. Just in case you're new on here, you're very much welcome. This is Philiminizzy Reacts, and on this channel we do music reactions to your favorite bands, your favorite songs, your favorite artists. If it's the kind of content you're very much interested in, you are very much welcome. You know, subscribe to the channel, join the family. All love, no negativity up in here. Yes, today we're about to check a new band, a new artist. Song is titled Free Official Audio, and the name of the artist or the band, the spelling though, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Lynyrd Skynyrd. Guys, I hope I got the pronunciation right. You know, this is definitely off of the fact that you guys threw me this suggestion and asked me to check out the music, you know. So, yeah, never heard this song, you know. So, this is definitely going to be a first time listen, first time reaction. I'll definitely give my full perspective and interpretation about the song at the end of the video. So, stick with me, and let's take a listen, guys. Let's go. Okay, the song is 9 minutes. Okay, so that's like a band.
If I leave here tomorrow,
Okay.
would you still remember me? Well, I must be traveling on now. 'Cause there's too many.
Guys, I love the instrumentation, and I love the those guitar riffs, vocals. Whew. I love the song so far. Yeah, stick with me, guys. Let's go.
Places I've got to see. But if I stay here with you, girl,
Okay.
things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. The Lord knows how
Wow. Wow. Yeah, guys. The band Leonard Skynyrd. Yes. Free Bird. Wow. This is 9 minutes 10 seconds, guys. Like, whew, just when I thought it was just gonna be, one of those, 3 to 4 minutes, songs, it turns out to be 9 minutes, and I feel like 4 minutes, of it is the guitar solos. Like, it's just crazy, man. Like, I loved it. I loved it. I loved the vocals, yeah. Um, Leonard Skynyrd, right? Leonard Skynyrd. Yeah, Freebird, yes, Freebird. Based off of lyrics, I feel like it's a ballad, right? It's a song basically that features a driving guitar riff, powerful vocals. Yeah, basically that's what the song. I mean, in terms of the vocals and then the instrumentation, you can never miss. They can never go wrong. Not listening to that um, driving guitar riff. Vocally, they killed it. They killed it, and I loved it. I loved everything about the song. Yeah. I feel like for the lyrics, based off of the lyrics, is pretty simple. What the song is all about, and I mean, my interpretation of the song. I feel like this song is about the desire, right? The desire for freedom, and the longing to live, one's own life, in one's own terms. Yeah. The lyrics, further goes on to express, that universal desire, to break free from the constraints of society, right? Society, and to live life without restrictions. Yeah, basically what the song, that's what the song is all about. I mean, at least that's what my interpretation about the song. Yeah. And finally, to wrap everything up, the song speaks to the idea of being free to live life, as one desires, and to follow one's dreams and to be true to one's self, basically, And I feel like they did a pretty good job, with the instrumentation and the vocals and how they were able to present the song. And I loved it. I loved it. I loved, that solo, I think from the fifth minute all the way through to the end of the song. I loved it. Yeah. So far, this is the only song I know this band has. Lynyrd Skynyrd. At least that's what you guys suggested I check out. I don't know if they have more songs such as this. If they do, you know what to do. Please go down the comment section and suggest that. Throw me some suggestions from this band. Help me select my next music reaction from this band. I would definitely love to listen to more of the music. So yeah. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this reaction, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Show this video some love. Yes. Thanks for watching. Just in case you feel I missed anything, with my interpretation of the song, feel free to go down the comment section and let me know yours too. Definitely would love to read something from you guys also. So yeah, on to the next music reaction. Take care, stay safe, and then peace out.